Okay, example 27 says the sides of a rectangle are x plus 2 over 3 centimeter and 2x minus 2 over 4 centimeter. The perimeter is 52 centimeter. Find x and find the actual breadth and length of the rectangle. All right, so what do we do in this case? We're given the perimeter. Remember, you must, from the known, you must find the unknown. Can I say that again? From the known, you must find the unknown. What were we given? We're given the perimeter. So I'm going to use this perimeter to find x and the actual breadth and length of the rectangle. So let's start. That's why you must know these basic formulas. So let's start with this. What's the perimeter of a rectangle? Let's just start from this. So perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Is that okay? Now, we don't know which one is the length, which one is the breadth, though we can even make an intelligent guess, but we're not really bothered about that. Whether this is length or this is breadth, it doesn't really matter. They just say we should find the actual breadth and length. Usually, the length is longer than the breadth, but don't take that to heart, all right? They didn't ask us to. In another way, we can say find the dimensions of the rectangle, so the length and breadth. You can just say, okay, the answers are 10 cm and 12 cm. You can just say, okay, this is the length, this is the breadth. But in all, what I'm saying is don't ascribe anything to anything. You don't really need that much. But usually, again, like I said before, the length is longer. So whatever, it doesn't really mean. All right. Now let's go there. Let's go on. The perimeter of this rectangle is 52 centimeters. It's not time to substitute. So 52 is equal to 2 bracket. The length, you can pick any of them. Don't bother. I can pick this as a length or this as a length. It doesn't mean, just put the dimensions there. So just write x plus 2 over 2, right? Then plus the other dimension, which is 2x minus 2 over 4. Close the bracket. Can we proceed now? Now, how do I take away this 2 from here? I'll just simply say divide both sides. Divide both sides by 2. I just want to make it as simple as possible. Now, that's going to be 52 over 2. Remember, I'm dividing both sides by 2. And permit me to just write everything so that you will understand all these things in greater detail. Again, I'm not supposed to do this. It's just too long on maybe almost painful to be doing this. So 2 will cancel these 2, right? Let me just show you clearly now. Now 2 into 52, what would that give you? 26. Good. So I can see 26 is equal to x plus 2 over 2 plus 2x minus 2 over 4. Remember, we're looking for the value of x. So what will I do next now? As we usually do, wait, I'm coming on. I think I made a mistake here. Let me check something. Oh, I made a mistake here. This is actually 3. Oh my goodness. So this is 3. This is actually 3. I thought as much. This is 3, not 2. So every other thing has to change. This is 3, not 2. Thank God I noticed this on time. 3, all right. Now, things like this happen to students. Things like this happen to students most of the time. They write the correct figure, and somewhere along the line they just change. That's why it's always good to check the question and your working and be sure that every number or every term was captured. See, it can happen to anybody, even your teachers. All right, so I'm going to multiply through, like we usually do, multiply through by the LCM of 3 and 4. I want to clear off the fraction. So I'm going to say multiply through by, so what are you multiply through by now? By the LCM of 3 and 4, and that's 12. Again, let's not waste time. So 26 times 12 is equal to x plus 2 over 3 times 12. I'm multiplying every single thing by 12. And 2x minus 2x minus 2 over 4 times what now? Times 12. Okay. Now, 3 into 12 is what? Okay, I think I don't want to be guilty of what I did before. Let's include this in a bracket, just to make it nice and neat. So 3 into 12, that's 4, right? 3 into 12, that's what? 3. What's 26 times 12? Again, I don't want to waste your time. 26 times 12, work it out. It will give you 312. Let's not waste time. So 312, you can work it out if you doubt what I just wrote. If you doubt me. So 312 is equal to, I can write the 4 in front of the bracket. It's same thing. Don't worry. Don't be scared. Don't be like, why are you doing this? No, it's same thing. Whether at the front or at the back. So we have this right. Now let's expand so we can quickly move on. So 312 is equal to, what's 4 times x? That's 4x. 4 times 2, that's 8, plus 3 times 2x. What would that be? That is 6x. And 3 times minus 2 is what? Minus 6. Is that okay? So let's rearrange now. 312 is equal to 4x plus 6x, then plus 8 minus 6. So 312 is equal, what's 4x plus 6x? That's 10x. And 8 minus 6 is what? 2. Now I'm going to move 2 to the left hand side. So you have 312 minus 2. When you move it, you change the sign. Take note of that. 312 minus 2 is what? 310 is equal to 10x. So what will be the next thing? Now divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And you have this. Divide both sides by 10. So that will cancel the 10. So your x is equal to 0 cancel 0. X is equal to 31. Finally. Now we have gotten the value of x as 31. Let's now answer the next question. The next question says, we found x now. So find the actual breadth and length of the rectangle. The breadth and length of the rectangle. Okay. Now, the B part. Let's pick this as the breadth. So x plus 2 over 3. Now what's x? X is 31. So that's, I'm going to substitute into this. So 31 plus 2 over 3. And what's 31 plus 2? That's 33 over 3, which is 11. So the breadth is 11. Let me check. What's the unit? Is it centimeter? Yes, 52 centimeter. So your unit must be in centimeter. 2 centimeter. Now let's now find the length. The length is the next one. That's what? 2x minus 2 over 4. Okay. I think I don't have much space here, but I'll just manage this. What's x? Again, x is 31. You see when I'm doing 2 times x, that's 2 times 31 minus 2 over 4. Let's use it in here, all right? So what's 2 times 31? That's 62 minus 2 over 4. 62 minus 2 is what? 60 over 4. And 4 into 60 is 15. So the length is equal to 15 centimeter, and the breadth is what? 11 centimeter. So these are the dimensions, or these are the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay, it's actually a long one. Pause this video, watch this video again and again and again, so you understand how questions like this are done. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.